Hello, welcome to nice algebra and square root problem. Can you solve this type of problem? If you solve, tell me what is the value of a and b. Here question telling that root under a plus root under b is equal to 35. Root under a plus b is equal to 25. We want to find the value of a and b. Let's start solution. If you come in my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. First of all, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So that here root under equation number 2 a plus b is equal to 25. Both side squaring. Bracket open, root under a plus b whole square is equal to 25 square. Root square cancel. A plus b is equal to 25 into 25 here square. So that here a plus b is equal to 25 square, 625. This is equation number 3. Here equation number 1 telling that root under a plus root under b is equal to 35. Both side squaring. Bracket open, root under a plus root under b whole square is equal to 35 square. We know that this is in the form of x plus y whole square form, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy. At root under a whole square plus root under b whole square plus 2 into root a into root b is equal to 35 square. Root square cancel, root square cancel. Here a plus b plus 2 into root under a into b is equal to 35 square. Therefore, we know that from equation number 3 telling that a plus b is 625 plus 2 into root under a into b is equal to 35 square. So that this will be comes this side. 2 into root under ab is equal to 35 square, that is 1225 minus 625. After that 2 into root under ab is equal to 1225 minus 625. The value will be 600. Both sides divided by 2. Therefore 2 into root under ab divided by 2 is equal to 600 divided by 2. This cancel, this cancel, 300. Therefore here root under ab is equal to 300. Both side squaring. Therefore root under ab whole square is equal to 300 square. Here root square cancel, left it. AB is equal to 90,000. This is equation number 4. After that equation 3 telling that a plus b is equal to 625. Both side squaring. Therefore a plus b whole square is equal to 625 whole square. After that here a plus b whole square is equal to 625 square. Here a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 625 square. Here a square plus b square plus 2 into ab value 90,000 is equal to 625 square 390,625. A square plus b square plus 90,000 into 2, that is 180,000 is equal to 390,625. Therefore a square plus b square is equal to 390625 minus 180000. Here a square plus b square is equal to 210625. Therefore x minus y whole square formula is that x square plus y square minus 2xy. Here a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square value is 210625 minus 2 into ab value 90,000. A minus b whole square is equal to 210625 minus 180000. Here a minus b whole square is equal to 30625. After that, here both side taking root under a minus b whole square is equal to plus minus root under 3625. Root square cancel. A minus b is equal to plus minus root under here 175 square. Root square cancel. A minus b is equal to plus minus 175. Here two equation arise. A minus b is equal to 175. Second, a minus b is equal to minus 175. Therefore a plus b is equal to 625. A minus b is equal to 175. Adding this number, here b cancel. 2a is equal to 800. Here both side divided by 2. 2 cancel. Here a is equal to 400. A value here we get. B value is equal to 625 minus a. Therefore b is equal to 625 minus 400. Therefore b is equal to 225. Therefore a comma b value is that a value 400, b value 225. After that, here a plus b is equal to 625. A minus b is equal to minus 175. Adding this number, here b cancel. 2a is equal to 450. Both side divided by 2. 2 cancel. Here a is equal to 225. Therefore b is equal to 625 minus a. B is equal to 625 minus a value 225. Therefore b is equal to 400. Here a comma b value is that a value 225, b value 400. This is the final value of this nice algebra math problem. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel once you review auto solving this problem. Take care. Bye bye.